Okay, in the last video we used primaries to make secondaries. So we took red, yellow, and blue and we made orange, green, and purple. I'm going to show you how to use the same palette and make intermediates. So I have an orange here that I made with red and yellow. But if I take a little more red with the orange, it's called red orange. The primary color always is stated first. So red orange is going to go right there in between. It's not quite red, but it's not quite orange. It's red orange. Now if I take my orange brush and I add it to the yellow, I have yellow orange. It's not yellow, but it's not really orange either. It's lighter than regular orange, but it's more orange than yellow. I'm gonna rinse my brush. Whenever I rinse my brush, I have to dry it off. So I'm pushing it into the water, and then I'm taking my paper towel or my rag and I'm drying it off. Let's see, how about between yellow and green? I made green already, so if I take that green and I have more yellow mixed into it, that is called yellow green. And notice it's not called green yellow. It's called yellow green because you always put the primary color, you always say the primary color first. So that's yellow green. And then I don't have to wash my brush all the way because it can have a little bit of green on it. I'm going to take a tiny bit of blue and mix it with the green, and it kind of makes what we call turquoise, but for color wheel's sake we'll call it blue-green. I'll put blue-green right in between the blue and the green. It's not really blue, but it's not really green. Okay, now blue-violet. Rinsing my brush, drying it off with paper towel. My purple is almost gone over here. It dried a little bit, so I'm just going to have to mix a little more purple. Purple or violet. The color wheel usually says violet. So if it's a little more red, like this is red violet. Between the red and the purple, I'll put my red violet, and then I'm gonna just get rid of the excess paint, and with my palette, if I take more blue and have just a little purple mixed in with the blue, that's gonna be blue violet. See the difference? So right here we'll put blue violet. Not quite blue, not quite violet, blue violet. So I've made the intermediates. It's red, red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, 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 violet, violet, and red violet. There we have the primaries, the secondaries, and the intermediate colors.